what you're seeing right there, again, just a few examples of what you're gonna be able to do with your Brother ScanNCut DX with the design content and the mat. Why this is a big deal is because you've seen cutting machines everywhere, right? This one does something that the others don't do. It allows you to scan, and that's important because now you can scan. Maybe it's your handwriting, maybe it's your children's artwork, whatever the case is. You scan that into the machine, and then you can literally, the world is your oyster with your creativity of what you can do with everything that you scan in. But your machine comes along with hundreds, and I mean hundreds of designs already built in. So you don't need to plug in a computer, because a computer is already built in. You don't need the internet. You just want to go ahead and pick up the Brother machine. And you're gonna get the Brother, you get the 12 by 12 mat, you're also gonna get the 12 by 24 mat, you get a project book, and to get you started on your very first project, you get all of the designs already built in, and then the rest is up to you. Today it's $319.95. with everything included. If you were to go out to one of the big stores that also sell this machine, just the machine is more there than for everything you're getting here as our today's special. And Julie Balzer is joining us to just kind of scratch the surface of some of the things you're gonna be able to do with your Brother. I'm coming over on this side.
Yeah, I wanna talk about the scanning right off because it's amazing to me that this machine has a scanner inside. So I have done nothing hard. I've cut out a bunch of ugly pieces of paper. But if you look in the scanning mat that I have here, you can see that all I did was just glue them down onto a piece of paper in a random design. But with the help of the scanner in this machine, I'm gonna be able to scan in these little cut pieces of paper, and I'm gonna turn this into a stencil. I know, which is so cool. You could also turn it into lace, you could cut it out of fabric, out of leather. I mean, you can make so many things with it. But again, the machine, this is how big it is. It has a computer inside, it has a scanner inside, and that scanner right now, what you'll be able to see on the LCD touchscreen after this resolves and it finishes recognizing it, boom, there are all my shapes right on the screen. Now, this is such an easy touch screen. I can see it. I just select that I want to see the outline of everything. If I want to drag these in at all, I can. I don't have to. I can say preview, and now I'm going to be able to save this design, okay? And I have a lot of choices for where to save it. I can save it into the machine because, again, there's a computer inside, so there's memory. I can save it wirelessly to CanvasWorkspace, right? So that's awesome. It comes wirelessly activated already. I can save it to a USB thumb drive. And look, this is intuitive and easy. You don't have to know anything about computers to be able to use this machine because it's all done through these easy pictures and easy buttons. Right now, it's saved. So now I can go and I can grab that file and I'll be able to see it. Look at this. I want to retrieve my file. I just push the button that says retrieve. And sure enough, I'm going to be able to see a picture of it right there. There it is.
Wow, there it is.
I know.
Yeah.
I know you're thinking like, how does this turn into a stencil, Julie? Okay. And I am going to answer that question for you because the answer is very, very easily. You can see that I've just cut this out of acetate, right? The same design, that's what this is. And now all you do, and you've seen stenciling a lot, so you know how this works, but you can just take a stencil brush or anything and you can run through it just like this. And sure enough, you're gonna have your custom stencil,
this is great.
Right? Which makes it super easy. But let me show you what we're gonna do with it. And this is where I think the ScanNCut is even cooler. So not only have you made your art tool, which is the stencil, but you have stenciled an entire sheet of your own custom pattern paper with a design that, you guys, we made from a bunch of these. Yeah. Because of the scanner inside, I can make my own designs just like that. And now we're gonna be able to cut this into a box, and we're gonna have made a totally custom project with like basically no effort, which is my favorite way to do anything. Okay. So what you can see here is the arrow tells you exactly how to load the mat in. There are two little gray sort of raised portions here. I'm gonna make sure that the mat is nestled right between there. Keep a hand here and load this in. Now you are getting more than 300 extra designs when you buy this bundle today. And I wanna show you the designs are so cool. So included in them is a whole bunch of box patterns. And so I wanna cut one of these boxes for you, and I wanna talk about the auto blade.
Okay.
The auto blade is so awesome because here's my file right here on the screen. You can see that it's a box, okay? I'm gonna say, okay. Now, I am not choosing what I am cutting. I am not choosing any numbers. This says cut, draw, emboss, foil. I want to cut. That's all I have to choose. There is nothing else. And then all I do is press start, and it is going to be able to detect that that is paper, and it is going to cut out my box for me, which I think is completely a magical idea, because I know one of the things, and Brother is so responsive, I have to say, to customer feedback. People said I don't want to have to adjust the blades. And so you know what? They made the auto blade, and it really is an industry first, you know, where you don't have to even tell it what you're cutting. The ScanNCut DX can help you out with that immediately. You know, you want to be able to cut SVG files. This will read any SVG, which is a standard cutting file extension. You can also scan in your coloring book pages. You saw how we were taking scraps of paper to turn them into a stencil, okay? It also has hundreds of built-in designs in here, okay? There's more than, I think, 120 built-in designs in here. Plus you're getting all the extra designs with this bundle. I mean, it really is see it, scan it, cut it, you know, made of magic, which I love. And what it's doing right now, if you can see it hopping almost instead of cutting straight, why is it hopping? So these are perforation marks, because when you create a box and you want to be able to fold it really easily, it creates these perforation marks so that you can do that. And I'm just going to show you this finished box so you can see how easy this is. But this is the same box in two different sizes right here. You can see one that we have obviously done with our stenciled paper. This is a milk box. The other one, we cut these felt flowers with the ScanNCut. Right? And either way, you're adding a personalized ribbon. And I just wanted to show you, like, it's so easy to make something just a little bit fancy. Just with either a fake flower or a real flower, right? And it just dresses it up so much. And of course, you've done this personalized stenciling right here to really make this special.
I love everything that this Brother can do, this ScanNCut, because not only is it cutting out what you use to make the stencil, it can make a stencil. So now I can put this on my wall and stencil my wall. You know, I can, you know, do my home decor with this one.
Well, I also want to point out that because of the computer inside, you can see what this original file looks like, and you can see what this stencil looks like, and they're not completely identical. And the reason for that is because there is onboard editing inside the computer so that you can resize and you can adjust this however you want. So you can, again, really customize and really make it exactly the way that you want.
And while that's working, I would love to show you, because we were talking about, yes, you can customize and make your own, but if you want to use some of the hundreds of designs that you're also getting included here, I want to show you some of those, because showing you one by one would take a while, so we're just going to show you all of
These
them.
are the built-in patterns that you can find in the machine. Whoa, it's it's a lot of patterns, and you can see that. I mean, we're covering the studio here with everything from quilt blocks on through to lots of great paper crafting, borders. There are fonts built into this. You can use any fonts on your computer as well. When you use CanvasWorkspace, it will read any TTF fonts, which I think is so cool, because it means that everything you already own works with the ScanNCut. But it's, of course, not just these built-in designs that you're getting.
No,
you are also getting more than 300 unique other designs. Let's see if we can. I think this one's even longer.
I think this one's even longer.
So let's see. Here you go. You are getting, these are really, so ooh, like that box file, the milk box file that we cut, and tons of the samples that you see here, this is what you're getting, is you are getting the ability to cut for Easter, for Christmas, for birthdays, for weddings. Every holiday is covered here. You have baby. There's all sorts of fun stuff. And you can, again, change and adapt the designs just slightly to really make them personal, which, you know, I think the personal touch, especially in this day of the internet and where everything is, you know, behind a computer, it's so nice to get a handmade gift.
It really is. And it's so interesting, too, what I like about personalization, whether, no matter what it is, and even with like the stencil we were making, is that many of us, like when you're out and about, there's the same stores everywhere in the country. So you go to someone's, you see somebody's project and you're like, oh, I know where you got that, because it's all the same thing unless you make it yourself, unless you customize it yourself. And this allows you to do that. And it's very simple. I don't want you to see all of these designs and get nervous. Oh gosh, that's too much, it's overwhelming. No, you decide what you want, you press. It's a touch screen, just like our phone.
I love that because it makes it easy and familiar so it doesn't feel like you're trying to operate a spaceship. Right. Which I get it. Technology can be intimidating, but the thing I like about the ScanNCut, and when I teach ScanNCut classes, is I always tell people it's so intuitive. It really is one of those things that's easy to use. Now, here is our box file, and I promised you that we were gonna have perforations. So what those perforations allow me to do is I can very easily just fold. It's like having a score line without needing a scoreboard or anything like that, because it just folds straight and flat and easy every single time on every single one of those perforations. So I know I've got a perfect shape every time. And you can see how this is gonna turn into that fabulous box, just like you have right there. Super cute, super easy, super fast.
Perfect every time.
Which I love.
I know, me too. If you need to make one or if you need to make 50.
Exactly.
It's gonna be perfect every time, the same thing.
And yet personal, because we made the paper, which I think is so unusual and special to be able to say to somebody, I made this paper for you.
Yeah.
Because you could certainly do this with shapes, with names, anything like that.
Now, it is our today's special. It's been very popular, and also because it's brothers, so they are really easy to use, easy to work with, very intuitive. That's the word that I was thinking. So you don't have to be super computer savvy in order to use this. I also love that you get everything included, including the 12 by 12 mat. There's even a 12 by 24 mat that you're getting. You're not paying extra for that. You get an idea guide and a project guide that's gonna get you started as soon as you get this home. You get everything that you need.
Well,
and you get a great value, because normally at retail, the retail value with everything you're getting is over $480. Even our regular price is gonna be closer to $430, but not today. Today, it's $319.95, and if there are any of these left at the end of this day, the price is automatically gonna go up. So I don't want you to miss out on that.
So we're cutting some felt, and again, I didn't do any blades, and what I was gonna say to you is that one of the things I love is the project right out of the box. You even get the paper that you need to do the project, which is gonna show you how to draw and how to cut with your ScanNCut. And now most materials up to 3 millimeters you can cut with a ScanNCut. So you can see I've got this very thick foam which I've taped down, and this is kind of a pro tip. When you're cutting with thicker materials, you wanna use washi tape or masking tape or something just to make sure that it's really secure. Because the way that the ScanNCut is able to cut this really thick material is, if you watch this, it's gonna cut about 3 times, usually once for each millimeter, which is the way that you can get really precise cuts in really thick material. Because otherwise, you know what I mean, you're not necessarily getting the precision that you're looking for. You're getting something else entirely. So here it's going around, maybe the second time, but it's gonna give you the estimate right on the screen, so you know, walk away, have a cup of coffee, change the laundry over, you know, whatever it is that you're doing. This does not have to be a machine that you babysit. And it's so quiet that, frankly, my mom calls, I put her on speakerphone.
Right.
And I just cut and craft and have a good time. And it's totally fine because it's not noisy. It's not interfering with what we're doing.
That's a big deal. I
so
like that.
if we look at some of the projects while this is finishing cutting, I just want to say that, you know, there are a lot of possibilities for how you can make a big statement. You know, this huge flower, can you imagine doing like a photo wall or something? I'm thinking wedding, I'm thinking birthday party.
This is,
it's
oh my gosh,
amazing.
how intricate that is.
But easy at the same time, and that's what I like, is that it looks complicated, but it's so easy.
Really?
Don't you like things that make you look better than you are?
Yes.
I 100% love that. And it's the same as like when you're making fabric projects like this cute little bunny, which we scanned in, you know, it's just so easy. Or even, you know, if you're piecing together fabric for the first time, the ScanNCut will actually draw the line that you need to sew on for you so that you do not have to know how to sew when you first start doing it, which I think is amazing and really easy. If you wanna make all sorts of home decor stuff, like this cute chalkboard that we made, you're getting all of these files, the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's all on this bundle, which is super fun. And this is a great way to decorate and personalize and make something useful. You know, we're all trying to get organized.
Yes.
And feel the love from our stuff in our house,
How did you know my family? Family, a little bit of crazy, a whole lot of love. I love that too.
I was just saying, it might be a lot of crazy in my family, but you never know. So once this finishes cutting, I mean, here's the thing, which is you can see this really thick felt just pops right out of there, which I love. And now you're wondering, Julie, what is this crazy shape that you've made? And I'm gonna show you, this is the magic of crafting, which is I am simply going to roll this. Would you help me? Would you hand me that pot that's right there? Sure. So what we're gonna do is you know what's all the rage? Succulents.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can actually kill a succulent. That's how talented I am at gardening, but I can't kill this one made from felt, and oh my gosh, you guys, I just made a succulent that I can't kill. And it was so fast, it was so easy. This one's made from foam. We just added a little bit of ink or marker right around those edges, but you can see how you can make this, and how beautiful would these be for centerpieces or for gifts or for anything like that.
So
but there is one other type of scanning that I want to show you, because again, this is the ScanNCut, the only machine that has that built-in scanner inside. So that is going to allow you to do something that we call direct cut.
And I know that we're out of time. I know that there's so much to show you too with our today's special, but when you get it home, you will have all of this capability at the palm of your hands as well. I also wanted to mention, while we've got just a second or two, the tote. If you want to pick that up as an extra purchase, you can do that, but it's great because that's where you can store your